Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to go directly to a message from a sent link on the WhatsApp app for PC. This new update makes it quick and easy to find exactly where a link was shared in your chats. No more scrolling endlessly trying to remember where you sent it. Let's dive right into it. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where you can see all your chats and the side menu. Next, look at the left side of that menu and click on the media icon. This section holds all your shared media photos, videos, documents, and of course, links. Once you're there, choose a tab labeled Links. This is where every link you've sent or received appears, neatly organized in one place. Now, at the top of the window, you'll see a small sort icon. Go ahead and click on it. A few sorting options will pop up. Select the one that says You. This filters the view to only show the links that you have sent, not the ones you've received from others. It makes finding what you're after so much faster. After that, scroll through and find the specific link you want to check. When you spot it, right-click on that link. A small menu will appear with several choices. From those options, select Go to Message. And that's it. WhatsApp will instantly take you straight to the part of the chat where you originally shared that link. You'll see the full message, the context of your conversation, and everything around it just like it was sent yesterday. This new update is perfect for anyone who sends lots of links and wants to quickly revisit past messages without searching through hundreds of texts. It keeps things simple, organized, and saves you a ton of time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on using WhatsApp efficiently. Thanks for watching.